Yeah, welcome back. In this short video, we are going to learn type of enrollment option in Intune portal where you enroll the devices and what type of the devices you enroll in a Intune portal. In this short video, I can only go through the enrollment types are available in a Intune portal. So when this is the Microsoft Intune portal. So you need to click on devices. When you click on devices, go back to little bit down. You need to click on device enrollment. So basically, if you want to know what are the enrollment, so enrollment is the enrollment is a like a process you are on board in user devices so that you can easily manage, upload and restrict, and if you want any remediation, if you want deploy any application, so you can easily upload the, I would say you have a full control on the enrolled devices. That is called the process. So when you click on the device enrollment, based on the operating system, you have multiple options. So first, if you want enrolled any Windows devices, in that case, you need to click on the Windows devices enrollment. So these are the lots of option. If you have any Windows Autopilot, you in that case you need to create the Windows Auto profile here. So as in my case, I have already created one profile. I will create another, and I will create in coming videos. So I will create video for each and every section. So we talk about the Windows Autopilot later on. So if you want to add any Windows enrollment, so you need to first check the authority, which type of devices you have allow or you have not allowed. So you need to click on the Windows automatic enrollment. So here is the option. If you select a none, so none of the user able to enroll the devices. So if you click on the sum, so you have option, you can create the any specific group and tag it the group name here. If a user is a device is user is a device is a part of this specific group, that should only enrolled. If you select the all, that means all of the users, all of the devices should be enrolled. Back to the, if you have any Apple iOS devices, that should be come inside Apple in enrollment. You need to click on Apple enrollment. And we have not set up the Apple enrollment push certificate. I will, when we set up the push certificate, after that, that would be that these below options would be appear here. Is it current is a grayed out? Okay, we create a separate video. So when come back to the Android, if you have any Android, so that should come inside Android. Let's say in an Android you see lots of profiles. That means if you have any BSOD, is called the personal owned device. Is it called the corporate owned device? Is it dedicated, is it a kiosk device for any specific purpose like a ticketing, scanning, or any specific application should be run on the kiosk mode, or corporate owned as a fully managed device is a corporate owned with the work profile. I will create the separate video and show the end user experience as well as in a coming videos. Okay, so in a short video, I can only go through the what are the enrollment option available. So okay, back to the enrollment device restrictions. Restrictions means you can restrict the users how many devices can user enroll. That means if you have allow one user have enroll 5 to 10 devices, or you have allowed a user can only enroll 5 devices. So if user reach 5 devices, after that user want to enroll more devices in that time, user not able to enroll, enrollment getting failed. So we have selected like created the device Android and associated with any like a default assignment. So in that case, user can only enroll 5 devices. Okay, back to the device platform restriction. That in device platform restrictions have also based on OS. If you have restrict the Windows devices, that you need to create the profile. You need to create the policy. But the meaning by device restrictions, you have option you can restrict the device like you want to only enroll device which device have OS versions should be as 21s2. So you have restrict, you have uh, create the condition if any device OS less than 21s2, that device not able to enroll. So back to the Android. So in Android, you have more options like you don't want any user can enroll or personal own device. You can very well control do control to create the Android restrictions. I have already created. Let me show in a Android restrictions, you have option if you don't want you have option you can create the profile type. You have only want to enroll by Android Enterprise work profile, so we have allowed it. If you don't want, can user not able to enroll by Android device administrator. This is the old legacy environment, so no more use in a uh, corporate, so we have already blocked. So back to the OS. So suppose that you want only OS of Android OS minimum at least 9 version, and maximum you have set as the 15 or 14 as per the corporate terms and condition. So you can easily apply set the minimum and maximum range. If any device less than 9, that is not allowed. If any device more than 14, that is also is not allowed. So you have restrict between 9 to 14. If any device meet the condition, that should only allowed. So if you have also option you can allow personal own device, then you can also allow it. If you not you can also control very well. And what is the meaning by device manufacturing? Let's suppose in your organization have only allowed any specific Samsung. So you can put here as a Samsung. If apart from Samsung, if any user want to try to enroll the device, that is not able to do it. So you have restrict the by platform, by OS, by device type, device owner type, who is the owner of this device. So you have lots of options, you can control it. Okay, back to the point. Is a Mac, you have also similar kind of device restrictions you can create. Now iOS have also you can create the same like Mac. You can define the any max and lower OS version. What should you want to enroll? Okay, what is the device enrollment manager? Basically, device enrollment manager is like a help desk or any local IT account that is only used to enroll the device. Once enrollment completed, you can hand over to user to use the device. There is a limitation over here. One device enrollment manager can only enroll 1,000 devices. This is the limitation. So many other limitations in a device enrollment manager, but this is the you have working the huge number of corporate users. You have so in that case, suppose you have received 1,000 or 200, 300 Mac or Android tablets. So in that case, your device enrollment user can enroll all devices per day hand over to user. Okay, so how you can, in my case, I have already created. If you want, you can add more. How you can do that? You can just S Kumar, wait. So if you need to select the enter the full name. Let me copy the username. Like I want to uh, add this user as S Kumar as a enrollment. Okay, back to the device enrollment. Click on device. Click on add. You need to paste it the full accordion name. Add it. So here you have a two DEM that is called DEM, that is the device enrollment manager. So you have a two accounts. If any account have reached 1,000 number of devices enrolled, that should be use another one. Okay, so you have an option, you can add more enrollment managers. So that is the only use in like a big environment. So that's it. So it's in a short video I have uh, so what are the enrollments option available in portal. So in a coming, basically did a second video of Intune series. So in a coming video I can I will elaborate like a very deep initial to high level. I will talk each and every sections in the coming video. So thanks for watching my another video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So that would be help to reach 1,000 1,000 subscribers. So thank you